How to forward multiple emails on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can forward multiple emails on Gmail. To do that, you have to forward multiple emails on Gmail through your desktop or your PC. And here's how to go about it. Once you're on the page, move to the side of the screen where you can select the emails that you want to forward. You just go ahead and select the emails, and after selecting the emails that you would like to forward, move to the top part of the screen where you can see some options like archive, report spam, etc, and then the more option. Click on the more option. Amongst the options displayed, select forward as attachment. All right, and then go ahead and type out the person that you would like to forward the message to. All right, forward that you would like to forward the emails to, sorry. And after typing out the email address of the person, just go ahead and click on send. All right, enter in the subject, enter in the body of the text if there's any, and then you will see that the email has been attached already. Then click send, and then just like that, your emails will be forwarded to the recipient. So that is it. Very simple. Go ahead and try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.